Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to move column chart in existing sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to first create column chart. Simply select the data and go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the column charts option and select the first 2D column chart. Select the first one and here you can see the column chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. So here I'm going to move this chart in existing sheet. So in this Excel file, there are total 6 sheets. So here I'm going to move this chart in sheet number 5. So let's see how it's done. Simply click on the charts, go to the chart design. In location group, click on the move charts option. And here you can see one dialog box is open, move chart. Choose where you want the chart to be placed. Select here the second option, object in the current sheet here showing sheet number 1. Just click on this drop down arrow and select here sheet number 5 to move chart in sheet number 5. Just click on OK and that's it. In sheet number 5, the chart is moved. And sheet number 1, only the data here shown. In sheet number 5, chart is moved. Okay. So this is way you can easily move your chart in existing sheet in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.